Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Oxygen OS Beta. Before diving in, it's crucial to prepare your device properly. First, verify your phone model is eligible for the beta program. Next, always back up your data. This step is vital to safeguard your information. Also, ensure your device has at least 60% battery charge and about 4 gigabytes of free storage. These preparations will help ensure a smooth and successful update process. Once your device is ready, the next step is to enroll in the beta program. Start by opening your phone settings and finding the About Device section. From there, tap on the Oxygen OS version several times to unlock developer options. Then, search for trial versions or beta program within your settings. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to register your device, which usually involves agreeing to terms and conditions. After successfully enrolling, it's time to download and install the beta. Head back to your phone settings and check for system updates. The beta update package should now be available for you to download. Be aware that this file can be quite large, often several gigabytes, so a stable Wi-Fi connection is recommended. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation, and your device will restart to complete the update process. Before you enjoy the new features, remember some important considerations about beta software. Beta builds might have bugs or performance issues, as they are not final versions. You might also find that some of your favorite applications do not work perfectly. Additionally, battery life could be less optimized than on a stable release. While you can often revert to a stable version, this process might lead to data loss, so always keep those backups handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.